Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert lambda symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the lambda symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show. So the first way and the only way that you can just insert by clicking on the insert option on the top. Now you just need to click on the symbol option. I just click on the more symbol option on here. So click this. Then you just need to search as category. So you just type C, so you can find category and enter it. And here with the subset, you just need to change this to the basic Greek. And in the basic Greek here, you can find the lambda symbol. So this is how you just insert the lambda symbol on your WPS spreadsheet. You just go into the symbols option and just change the font to the category and just subset to the basic Greek, and you can just insert the lambda symbol. This is how you just insert lambda symbol. Otherwise, you just type the character code as 03BB. So I just mentioned here. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.